Hello, my name is Malcolm Thompson. I'm the Executive Director of NextFlex. Our NextFlex members truly make our organization really great. The more than 100 corporations, small businesses, universities, community colleges, and government organizations that make up our membership bring incredibly diverse and unique ideas to the table. Collaboration across the organization means that NextFlex members are always learning and growing. They discuss state-of-the-art technologies that are revolutionizing the electronics industry and cooperate on projects that foster technology innovation and commercialization. They come up with an amazing number of new, great ideas.
SI2 has been a member since the start of the organization back in 2015. Through the various partnership opportunities, from project calls to working groups, it's a great way to get involved in the whole ecosystem and work with both other companies in the area, large and small, in government organizations and other funding organizations, and of course NextFlex itself.
So Jabil has been a NextFlex member since 2015. We were one of the founding members. Having an institute that is a working institute with active projects that align well with the membership goals is really one of the biggest benefits.
The NextFlex Fab is where organizations can use our facilities for high-mix, low-volume prototyping and pilot-scale manufacturing. Members get preferred access to our Class 10,000 clean room with over 50 tools for printing, assembly, inspection, and testing, all in one place. Among the benefits of this access, members can de-risk manufacturing decisions about tools, materials, and product design. NextFlex is also compliant with ITAR regulations and FDA good manufacturing practices, so members can be assured that their projects are in safe hands.
So UMass Lowell has been a member since 2016, since inception, and we've really benefited and enjoyed our participation in NextFlex. So I've really been impressed with the NextFlex management in terms of how well they've engaged the community, really offering networking so that all of us can benefit and communicate amongst each other and create really some fun new friendships.